Hi guys, it is X. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Weirdo Palette. This is what it looks like. It is very pretty. My goal is to use every single one of the shades that is in this palette, but we will see. So if you guys want to know my thoughts and opinions, just keep on watching, but don't forget, before you swipe me away or click me out of this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, first we're gonna peel back this plastic thingy, throw that away so we can use the mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and grab all my brushes that I don't know the names of. First, we're gonna go in with this Morphe Fluffy brush and we're gonna dab into Glamour Shot. I'm gonna coat that really well, blow off the excess, and we're gonna go right under the brow. For this particular look, I'm gonna dab that all over the lid as well. And now we're gonna go into the other side. Dab, dab, dab. Forgot to brush off the excess, but that's okay. And right under the brow and all over the lid. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay, next I'm gonna grab this blending brush, don't know who it's from, and I'm gonna dab into Mohawk. And I'm gonna take that into the crease on both sides. Obviously, right? We're trying to have the same look here. Okay, so just blending that in back and forth, going back in and gonna do the other side. So we're gonna blend that into the eye crease. Back and forth, and we're done. But I forgot I'm gonna tape my eyes for this look because it's gonna get pretty messy and will probably look a little crazy, but I'm gonna go into 1985 with the same blending brush and I'm gonna add that to the outer corner of the eyelid. This looked a lot prettier than I thought. Definitely these three colors could be like wedding vibes, I believe. They reminded me of a wedding makeup. So I'm just going to kind of wing it out on both sides. I almost wanted to stop here because it looks so pretty. Just blending that in further on the other side. And there we go. A little bit more. Okay, next I'm gonna grab this brush and I'm gonna go into Only Child, coat that. Gonna do the outer corner of my eye and I'm gonna bring it midway to the middle of my lid. I don't know what I was thinking, if I was like planning on doing a liner look with this, but I decided against it. However, I did do it on both sides. Blend that out a little bit more. And there you go. So next I'm gonna go into Punk Culture, dab the excess, and I'm gonna go into the waterline with this one. I don't go all the way. My eyes are very sensitive, and once the tears start flowing, it is very hard to stop. Did not have a problem with that eye, but I definitely had a problem with the next eye. My apologies for this filming. Didn't realize that you couldn't see what I was doing. I apologize, but same technique that I used on the other side and just filling in a little bit more. And it's starting to look a little crazy, but I promise in the end it will look fine. And just bringing that up, connecting and blending, connect and blend, connect and blend. Okay, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm gonna go in with this angled brush and I'm going in with Weirdo and I'm gonna wing that out a little bit more. With the black, you guys, I was so proud of myself because I didn't feel like I ruined my look. With the black, I'm still learning how to blend it and make it look nice. This brush, it's angled, but it's very sparse, so I think I'm gonna pick up a different brush next time. I got this in a BoxyCharm box. I don't remember the name of it. Okay, I know. I'm starting to look crazy. you don't have to comment on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the same brush and go to Freak Show. Sorry, it's not the same brush, it's the one that I used from my waterline earlier. But I'm gonna go to Freak Show. I'm going to put this over, grab a little more, and do the same thing on the other side. You guys, I had said previously, like, my goal earlier. Okay, hold on, before I tell this story. I'm gonna just dab my finger into razor blade and put that on my lid. I debated on using that brush, but the shimmers always come out better when you use your finger. It's a little bit harder to blend at the top. If it was like only one section, it would be a lot easier, but I went on the whole lid. Once again, I apologize for the camera. Apparently I was not aware that you couldn't see what I was doing. So I'm just blending that over, dabbing a little bit more, blend in, blend in. Okay, just making sure, you know, I'm going in with my razor blade. I did not use any Fix Plus or anything, and it is so bright and shiny. I did not mean to put that at the bottom, but it happened. Oh well. So now I'm going to go in with a fluffy blending brush and Only Child, and I'm going to go back over that and deepen up the crease and kind of get rid of any harsh lines that were created with the black. Dab in the other side and repeat. I always debate on going higher up on my brow bone, but I don't want to look crazy. So I decided to stop there because I realized that my other eye, it did go a little bit higher on the brow bone. Okay, so next we are going to dab in Weirdo again. Put it more on the bottom, and now we're dabbing in with Weirdo and Freak Show. I did go back and forth between these two for the bottom. Whoop, whoop. Dab, dab. And the top. Dab, dab. Go up top. There we go. Drag it out. And time to peel off. This is my favorite part of using tape. You gotta peel it off. Except this one went into my hair. It's okay. We use anti-wrinkle cream. Okay, still looks a little crazy, so I'm gonna grab a makeup wipe and just clean it up. Now I'm gonna add eyeliner in my inner outer line. There we go. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D to do the top liner. That's what it looks like. Now I'm using Glamnetic lashes in VIP, and I added Prom Date for the lipstick. So this is what the look turned out to be. And I think it looks really pretty. Is this something I would wear on a daily basis? Absolutely not. But for the sake of this video, this is what my tutorial is. Thank you. All right. I was determined to use every single color in this palette, and I succeeded. Even though I kind of double dipped into here, the look at first looked very messy, but it looks really pretty. The shades are so pretty. And this shimmer, the silver one, which is Razor Blade, I'm shocked by it. I did use my finger, I didn't use a brush, and I thought it was gonna be really difficult to blend, but it wasn't. It was really pretty. I was gonna do the Conspiracy palette, but I didn't want to change my pajamas. So I figured it kind of matches my pajamas, so this is why I reviewed this one. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial on this, and I hope you have a good day and see you on the next video. Bye!